welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandy and today I'm going to be sharing with you some new products that I want to try out. If you don't know, I'm currently on the 1-to-1 diet, formerly known as the Cambridge diet, and I wanted to share with you some new meals that I'm trying out. I'm going to show you what they are, and then throughout the week I will be testing them, finding out if they're tasty, and then I'll be giving them a rating out of 10, because there is a misconception that packet foods are gonna taste disgusting or they're not gonna taste as nice. So I just want to see if the meals are tasty. I want to add more variation into the diet. Most of these are new. I think I've tried 2 before. Most of the meals, within 3 minutes they're pretty much ready, so it's really quick and easy. Without further ado, let's see the first meal that I'm going to be trying. The first meal is this green pesto pasta. I think this one might taste okay. I'm actually looking to add more kind of pasta meals. I know I tried the spaghetti bolognese last time and I actually liked that. I'm hoping that I'm going to like this green pesto pasta as well. So it's really easy to make. The instructions are at the back, really easy and simple to follow. It just says grab your bowl, add 110 milliliters of hot water along with your pesto pasta mix, microwave for 90 seconds, stir, repeat again for another 90 seconds, and then leave to stand for 1 minute. It looks good, so I'm really intrigued to find out if this is going to taste good. This tastes okay. It's not too dry, which is a positive. I'm not a huge fan of the pesto. If you like pesto, you will like this one. So I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I just don't like pesto, but the pasta tastes nice. The next meal is spaghetti bolognese. Now this one I have tried once before. I really enjoyed it. So I'm looking to try it again to really seal the deal and just confirm that I really like it. It's actually vegetarian, so it's not made with real meat. I think it says it's made with textured soya protein mix. This one, like I said, I have tried it before and I really liked it, but I just wanted to try it again to see if I'm really gonna like it again. I think it's really good to give some of the meals like a second go. Say if you tried it once and you liked it or you didn't like it, try it again and like give it another go. And to make it, it's really easy. It says grab your bowl, add 200 milliliters of hot water along with your bolognese mix, stir well, microwave for 90 seconds, stir, repeat again for another 90 seconds, and leave to stand for 1 minute. Now I do know that people have said once you put in the hot water to leave it to kind of stand for 5 minutes before you put it in the microwave, because it just cooks the pasta better. So that's something that I'm going to try this time around. I know already that this is my favorite, but I'm looking forward to trying it again. Second time around and I still love this. It tastes like the real thing, which still surprises me. This has to be my favorite. A solid 9 out of 10. You can't even tell it's not real meat. Love this. The next one is this chicken tikka curry. This one, again, I'm really looking forward to trying this one because obviously it's supposed to resemble chicken curry. Now looking at it in the packet, it doesn't look that tasty, but I think it probably will taste nice. I'm not sure, but I am looking forward to trying this one. Again, I like chicken, I like curry, so you can't go wrong. I'm really looking forward to this one as well. Hopefully this one will end up being one of my favorites along with the spaghetti bolognese. And to make it really simple, again, it says grab your bowl, add 150 milliliters of hot water along with your curry mix, stir well and microwave for 90 seconds, stir well again, and then you microwave for 2 minutes. So this one you actually cook for longer. I think this is the longest, so it's gonna be cooked for like 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, and then it says allow to cool for 2 minutes. So this is probably one of the longer cooking meals, but yeah, I'm really excited about trying it, and let's see what it actually ends up looking like. I like the taste of the curry, but the rice texture reminds me of the rice pudding the Cambridge diet had back in the day. You definitely need to leave it longer than 5 minutes to soften the rice. I'll say 7 out of 10. Not a bad curry taste, but a weird texture. The next one is Cottage Pie. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one is a bit like Marmite. On social media, some people love it, some people hate it, some people say it looks like dog, you know. So I am again intrigued to find out what this is gonna look like when it's made, and also what it's gonna taste like. Like I said, I've already seen some people try this out and they say it does not look the nicest, but they say it tastes nice. So this one is again something that I'm looking forward to find out if it really does taste nice. Obviously it's not going to be like the real cottage pie, so I'm not looking for it to taste like the real thing. And to make it again really simple, all of the instructions are at the back. So it says grab your bowl, add 160 milliliters of hot water along with your pie mix, stir well and microwave for 1 minute. Stir well and microwave for 30 seconds and then leave to cool for 2 minutes. Yeah, let's see what it ends up coming out like. This tastes better than it looks. Looks are deceiving. It does remind me of mashed hospital food, but still tastes good. The texture is not too bad either. Don't be put off by the look. I'll give it a 6 out of 10 just because it reminds me of the mashed hospital food, but it does taste better than it looks. The next one is Thai green curry. This one I'm not sure of. I'm going to be very honest with you. Some people say it kind of reminds them of noodles and you should make it with more water so you kind of get that like soupy noodles. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not a huge fan of noodles, but I'm willing to give this one a go. And it says it's a Thai green curry flavored noodles and textured soya protein. So again, this one is also vegetarian, I presume, if it's made from soya protein. Like the other one, really easy to make. It says grab your bowl, add 80 to 100 milliliters of boiling water along with your noodle mix, stir and leave to stand for 3 minutes. Your noodles are ready. So this one you don't actually cook in the microwave. So it says add boiling water and then you leave it to stand for 3 minutes. So it would probably cook itself. Yeah, so let's see how this one turns out. This is very spicy. If you like spicy food, you will like this one. I like the spice, but I found this a bit too much. The spice is quite overpowering, but nevertheless a 7 out of 10. I'm half and half. The next one I have is macaroni cheese. Now this one I have tried before during my first week of trying the one-to-one diet. I'll leave a video for you to check out my first week of trying it. This one I was not a huge fan of, I'm gonna say. As soon as I opened the packet and I saw the cheesy, I don't know what it was, but as soon as I saw that, I was like, this is not going to end up well, and I end up not liking the taste. But like I said, I think it's really important to give the meals a second try, or try them more than once. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. And again, really simple and easy to make. Grab your bowl, add 160 to 180 milliliters of water along with your macaroni mix, stir well, microwave for 2 minutes, stir again, repeat for another 2 minutes in the microwave, and then you leave to stand for 1 minute. Again, people have said to kind of leave it to stand for 5 minutes before you microwave it. Again, it cooks the pasta better. So yeah, I'm open-minded and I'm gonna give this a second go and see if I end up liking it. There is a hack people like to do, which is to mix half of the macaroni cheese and then half of the spaghetti bolognese, and to kind of get a mixture of the both. I can't remember what they call it. I'm gonna see how I get on with the macaroni cheese. So let's try it again for the second time and see if we end up enjoying it. I'm sorry to say this, but it's a no for me again. I don't know if it's the smell or the cheesy sauce or what it is, but I just don't like it. It's really filling, which is a plus. It's a low 3 out of 10 for me. This one is a no-no, but others do love it. My favourite meal has to be the spaghetti bolognese. That's just my thing. It's not made from real meat, but it tastes like the real thing. Trust me, if you haven't tried the spaghetti bolognese, you should really try it. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what is your favorite meal, or if you have another favorite product from the one-to-one diet. If you enjoyed this video, then you're going to enjoy my other videos to do with the one-to-one diet, and I'll leave the playlist here for you to watch. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow my weight loss journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.